DYNA don't reply to Dasylvia. Yes, she don't reply by her notes. You know, say my people. You know, say I talk yesterday. Say na notes she wants to come outside. Yes, you know, many people when they fix it, they know how to write or they know how to defend themselves with right. You know, writing and when you sit down to express yourself, it's not the same. It's totally different. My beautiful sister DYNA EKWUEME. If you come across this my YouTube, okay, come out. I know sometimes it's not good to come out, but sometimes it's good to come out to clear the head, to to clear your name for all those things when they work out for social media. No, by silence sometimes it's not. No. At least you will come out by writing that your note. And people like us, maybe we understand that. This one chuko. This one enter. But for me, what I pick for inside, then I may say, Dasylvia, you never be godmother to her daughter. Bam. Okay, me why even blame you, my sister? I will draw my blame. You say you never be godmother to her daughter. You know they. Well, now pardon the noise. I be mom. My children they around me. That's why I never film this video since. You know, now when I be Catholic as a godmother, I know how it take the work. You say you never come class, you never go this, never go this. Say you not be godmother to her daughter. Then she post the woman when be godmother to her daughter. This one loud though. Now what say our sister, our beautiful sister DYNA EKWUEME talk. All the DYNA EKWUEME fans. I dey see una say some people like say cool, e dey una body. You know when this matter come out, when I did live stream yesterday, when they talk about na Nelo all night. You know the Pexi when something in pain, you know the thing go dey hot time, go dey do it body pa. But person when you know what she do, she go calm and slowly. You understand? Calm and slowly. When Nelo and DYNA EKWUEME really happen, when they do collaboration video after Woodmaya said so, that I put the clip for my first video. I will still put on for him when I listening to her. You know,
I have questions for you, yeah? You felt that I made videos attacking you, even though my videos had nothing. When I mean nothing, entirely nothing to do with you. Why did you never reach out? And also, when I reached out, why didn't you answer your call? Why didn't you reply my messages? And why didn't
you understand? The thing was so bad. Okay, like person like me, everybody is different. When you know say you don't feel go on with friend, then stay away from people. But when you know say some people they will buy person like this DYNA now find out say now person when good also yes it can happen different way, but the way she they react to just quick take a decision, that is where she they make a mistake. And she always thinks say that they talk about me, because when she see about Nelo, if now go look about Nelo, why always they bring about Nelo Nelo said if you feel like say I they gossip you or I they make video about you, why can't you call me or why can't you reach out to me? Okay, why can't you pick your phone when I try to reach out to you? The same thing Dasylvia said, if you even feel say I offend you or no, I don't feel talk all those things for my first video, why can't you reach out to me? Why can't you pick my call? Then DYNA EKWUEME say all the video idea say if they carry her out, if now read the note when DYNA EKWUEME bring come and say she can never be a friend with, when you be a friend with this person, I know on my ring light, I hope say it okay. When you be a friend with this person, she forbid her. Yes, DYNA is a mature lady. Then she can choose who to be friend to and who not to be friend to. But you can't choose who your friend will be friend to and who your friend will not be friend to. That one is wrong. My sister DYNA, your next friendship or this friendship when you the friend now, not choose friends to her. If you see say the thing that they get comma, end the friendship with peace. Yes, my sister, I want to stay quiet. If he call you, I know they pick my sister, I'm very busy. Time na money. Now so me they put on time na money, time na money. You put on like that. Not be say mature lady where you for make big mistake. Where this girl for the cry, as a woman and as a Christian, see your neighbor or your human being like you, if they pass, no matter say even insult your child or even do something, at least you go let her understand say this is where you wrong. Then she go understand her mistake. As Dasylvia always still talk say, you try to stop her not to be a friend to Lilipo, and Lilipo also say they fear. Lilipo, you they fear. I be Lily platform. I be Lilipo. Lilipo, you they fear big YouTuber. You don't big now. What of me when I be want that? Probably like for this YouTube street too. Hey, me una not talk to big YouTuber. Una He say me Dasylvia. He did Dasylvia record say Lilipo say me they not talk to those big YouTubers. Later they are subscriber. Me when I call get 1,000, I not give a damn. I do my own. No, this is why many people not call they talk truth again. When they talk about politician, I don't see that politician. When they do something, the other party, when they say if I talk now, they no agree put me for the next election. Lilipo say me you not talk so that you're if the person me I tell you now, if you dey inside that shoe, big YouTuber offend you, and you know say that offend, it choke you for ekwueme, voice out so that you will get free, you get your mind go free. Not because of say what will be subscriber. You know where they eat before, you know where they survive before. We they eat. What of whom will never just they catch out? We know they eat, we know they rub cream, we know they do things. We are doing things. You understand? Be yourself and not ever do slave to human being like you, to a lady like you, to a girl like you, to a woman like you. It's very wrong. Yes, because of you be enemy to this person, me I not be friend to that person. I be that one wrong. DYNA EKWUEME, please. I believe you will use this one till learn. Okay, learn. Yes, learn. You can be friend to me, and I can be friend to your enemy. Except say when you and that person they play, me and that person not be friend. Then automatically, because of you and that person be enemy now, automatic want to be friend automatic. Then you can run for me. That one 100%. Say me and you will be friend. Then you and that your friend will be friend. But you and that me and that your friend will not be friend though. Automatic because of say you and that person don't be enemy, and automatic I want be friend, then you can run for me. But something like that not happen. No. And you, Dasylvia, when they say because of DYNA EKWUEME, now I run for NJ. Now why you not run for Lilipo? You not run for Lilipo. That is your mind choose Lily. Your mind not choose NJ and Nelo. Yes. NJ and Nelo, your mind not reach choose them, because if your mind reach choose them, as you not fit run for Lilipo, if you not fit run for NJ and Nelo, how can a girl like you, a woman like you, go just they use you like say now something, and you say you put on for head, say you be godmother here and now Clara say you not be godmother, you not be anything to them. And all the DYNA EKWUEME commenters, they see because I got the comment section for DYNA EKWUEME. Yes, waiting. Some of comment talk. One comment say this is not the best way to part friendship without talking, without talking things out. Please let your beauty be in and out. Let your beauty be in and out. My sister, that is true. I not to read many comments. Okay, if no one read comment, maybe go her comment section. And secondly, my beautiful sister, what you for do? You go know what you go they tell her. Like somebody like me, I don't know how to put her. You understand? You for they know what you go tell her. And she even swear, say, if anybody, she don't ever discuss anything about you to anybody, may they come outside. Yes, me I know say na note you go right, because when first it happen at the same. When second, no, you know, just the act say you are smart. Don't be say, I love you, I like you as a Christ, as a child of God, my beautiful sister DYNA EKWUEME. Learn how to come out and speak your part. You understand? By speaking, writing and come out to speak your part is totally different. By speaking your part, people will understand. What of people when bully this our sister Dasylvia? A lot of people, they don't change mouth, they don't say the truth. But if you still come out and carry your joko sit down and you talk and you analyze, you know, a lot of people, for me, I know, and whether you analyze, whether you don't analyze, her message went to her chat, her record to you. In fact, he used and win many of folks mind. How could you, a lady, a mature woman, mothers, I will continue to the talk and cry. If now your sister, she they cry like that, you know, ask and say, sis, what thing they happen? My sister, let me know. You go ask her. Talk of human being, woman, I don't gather, talk, eat together, discuss, tell her about you, she tell you about her. Why can't you? And you now you not see her. Dasylvia was really true friend. Dasylvia, he put herself like say she now your daughter godmother. But you, my sister, I know if call you something. I know if talk deep. You not say she not be your daughter godmother, but you were just you know if you open up to her. I'm now when I be carry friend matter for head, carry friend for head. I hear you now, and they hungry. I never eat. Me I go eat before DYNA EKWUEME matter. I go chuko mine. Me I go eat. Yes. Ha. Person they claim say she na your daughter godmother. You sample another. Hey, problem too much for this white street. Oh, not go get sense. You not go ever get sense. We use other people to learn. Don't ever form mugu for anybody. If anybody they look, they act smart like me. If you are acting smart or you are acting like you know her, or you there or top, or you sabi speak English, or you sabi right, or you are more popular than me, you want the bulukele me. My sister, I'll pack my tissue and I go do my face like this. Here, you know, if you see here, my back now you go this see, I go move. Yes, some people, me. If I help you, if I say I'll still greet you, not me say me and you know. If I say let friendship now different category. Yes, me una still know. Friendship, you can be friendship when you see somebody una greet. You don't finish. Now friendship is still be that. I be no be friendship. Me una they collect sense, so me una they collect sense. Now una they do say this one a star, this one na big YouTuber. Let me lawyer, let me una fellow content creator when they grow, when they strong go to grow. I know see face, but the big YouTuber they don't the grand pepper now put on for now. Let's say this year 2023. God just dey expose all the big YouTuber when they get kpurukele for be me talk am o na wetin I see o me una not come for me. All the big YouTuber when they get kpurukele one editorial happen. They open yan. This one now, DYNA EKWUEME. Nelo, my beautiful sister. I trust you. You know, see Nelo and Adexinasis when they do their friendship. Their friendship, it's good to understand each other. Friendship is just like husband and wife. We wanna understand each other. Say not every time. When I watch their video, when Nelo tell Ade say, since this we never see you. That is friendship. Friendship when every small meeting. Hey, you can I not call you problem day. Now try understand yourself. There is time to give each other gap. There is time to focus. There is time to, if now once they will just teach one guy is still, now still focus. Not be say you not call me na problem. You not reach out to me na problem. You not follow me na problem. No, that kind of friendship they quit the breakout. Friendship give una self gap. You see Nelo and Ades as they say do their friendship now. Hey, since this year we never seen. I was shocked. I say, that is mature. We are mother. We they work. A lot of things they go on. Not because every you shit you want call. No, now before we never be mother. We never get anything they do. Now a lot of things they go on. Yes. Let's respect our privacy and let's respect ourselves. If you are a mother or you are anybody, don't let any girl, woman like you use you. And my sister DYNA EKWUEME may change. Okay, change. If you not female friend, you be type of say you not fit tolerate. You dey our circle. Please. Know how to make your friend. Then when that friendship they start, then they try, they put on like say once in a week now talk, once in a 2 months now go talk. At least that kind of friendship, quick too tight. Yeah, there will be, it go big gap go there. At least when now still talk, now still laugh, now something like that. And YouTube friendship, my mouth now for here now this one I talk. I know say that Dasylvia every day loyal to DYNA no matter what, no matter how they will twist and for me, she really dey loyal to DYNA EKWUEME because of Lilipo. Lilipo say, no go talk, come out your subscriber, he go decree. No, you know decree. Decree easy. I be decrease, I be the up. Now the up, I be down. Go down. Okay, my sister, if anybody, I trust you. Me even shock when I hear say Lilipo. You when they come and give the water, you say they fear. Subscriber. The strength when subscriber can't carry, it's too much for this white street. My beautiful sister DYNA EKWUEME, I'll still give you some of advice. Okay, if anybody offends you, talk to the person. If you say they tell the person, see where you wrong you, then they want insult you or she want talk bad at you or she want hurt you, then you can cut it off. I wish all those things then you bring many of us for not just the talk to you. You understand? Now, waiting me get to talk. If you want to read the newspaper where our DYNA EKWUEME write, go to her channel and watch. Now, wait till I see talk. I'll see you in my next video. Please, when I watch, subscribe with you and I think drop your own opinion. Okay.